नमस्ते। जीके कक्षा 8 प्रश्न संख्या 51 का बी। कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, मेथाइन एंड नाइट्रस ऑक्साइड आर ग्रीन हाउस गैसेस। ट्रू। Water vapor is not a greenhouse gas. False. Warming is accepted to be greater over land than over the oceans. True. Global warming is uniform around the world. True. Fossil fuel burning has produced about 3/4 of the increase in carbon dioxide from human activities over the past 20 years. True. Solar irradiance has been measured by satellites since 1978. True. Africa is one of the least vulnerable continents to climate variability. False. 17. Phobias. All of us have our own known and unknown fears. When the fears of an object or a situation becomes extreme, turning into a type of disorder, it is called a phobia. Let us learn about some of these phobias. Fear. Fill in the blanks in the passage below by picking words from the help box. Phobia can be divided into specific phobias. Types of specific phobias includes those that affect certain animal, the natural environment, blood or injury, and specific situations. The most common ones related to animals are fear of snakes and spiders. Occasionally, they are triggered by a native experience with an object or situation. Social phobia is when a situation is feared as the person is worried about others judging them. It is recommended that specific phobias be treated with X-powers therapy, where the person is introduced to the situation or object in questions until the fear is resolved. Page number 52 complete. Page 53. Ocophobia, tonitrophobia, hypnophobia, axonophobia, dixaphobia, theophobia, claustrophobia. This is the fear of God or religion. Persons suffering from his fear to not visit places of worship or read religious texts and often express anger towards religious practitioners. Persons with a family history of strong religious faith are prone to fear. थेपोडिया। सेकंड में है कैलोफोटोपोइया। थर्ड में है थर्ड में है टू नाइट फोफोपोइया, फोर्थ में है डिडोगोसोपोइया, 5 में ओपोबिपोइया, 6 में द फियर ऑफ फॉलिंग एस्लीप इज वेरी रियल फॉर पर्सन सफरिंग फ्रॉम इस फियर. What would happen of them if they are to go sleep, also known as phenophobia, hypnophobia. 7 में exonophobia. 54 student complete it and learn it.